Thank you everybody for a great applause for our Ethiopian cultural show and the fashion show. I have the designer on my right. She's taking the traditional Ethiopian dresses and making them functional for the executives, for the secretaries and other people working in their office eventually. And she has about 32 for 211 collection, and we appreciate for everybody to be here. It was a wonderful event. Now this thing will be closed by Elman's show within a minute. Thank you very much. By the way, anybody interested to know more about our website is in the process. It's called hewandesign.com. hewandesign.com. www.hewandesign.com. Thank you very much. And
all right, give it up for them one more time.